The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a name that stirs nostalgia, a car that once graced the roads from the 1950s through the mid-1970s with its distinctive curves and graceful presence. Now, Volkswagen has done what many thought impossible, bringing back the Karmann Ghia as a modern icon, blending retro styling cues with the latest in automotive technology. The result is a car that pays tribute to its past, while fully embracing the future. At first glance, the new Karmann Ghia captures the essence of the original, with its smooth flowing lines and low-slung profile. The rounded front end, subtle chrome accents, and gently sloping rear evoke memories of the classic model. But look closer, and you'll see how Volkswagen has carefully modernized every element. LED headlights with a unique teardrop shape replace the old round sealed beams, while a sleek frameless grille incorporates active aerodynamics. The body, sculpted from lightweight aluminum and high-strength steel, offers improved rigidity and safety while keeping the silhouette unmistakably Karmann Ghia. Under the hood, or more accurately, beneath the rear trunk in classic fashion, lies an all-electric powertrain. Volkswagen made the bold decision to skip internal combustion altogether, positioning the new Ghia as a premium boutique electric coupe. A rear-mounted motor delivers 295 horsepower and 340 lb-ft of torque to the back wheels, a configuration that honors the spirit of the original rear-engine setup. Instant torque propels the car from 0 to 60 in just 4.8 seconds, making it one of the quickest models in Volkswagen's lineup. The driving experience is where this car truly shines. While modern Karmann Ghia fans might worry that an electric drivetrain would rob the car of character, Volkswagen has worked hard to retain a sense of engagement. The steering is sharp and communicative, the suspension tuned for a balance of comfort and road feel. Regenerative braking is adjustable, allowing drivers to fine-tune the level of deceleration, and a simulated engine sound can be activated for a nostalgic touch. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery pack mounted beneath the floor, gives the Ghia nimble, confident handling through winding roads. Inside, the cabin strikes a careful balance between retro inspiration and modern minimalism. Classic design touches include a body-colored dashboard, round analog-inspired digital gauges, and toggle switches for climate controls. But alongside these nods to the past are contemporary luxuries: a 12-inch infotainment screen with wireless, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium Harman Kardon audio system, and an augmented reality heads-up display. Seating is offered in a range of vegan leather and recycled materials, keeping in line with the car's eco-friendly mission. Volkswagen offers the Karmann Ghia in 4 curated color options that harken back to its roots: sea mist green, horizon, blue, sunset orange, and a deep pearl black. Each comes with unique wheel designs and trim details that further distinguish the model's personality. Customization options are limited by design. Volkswagen wants to maintain the exclusivity and cohesive aesthetic of the car, much like how high-end watchmakers limit variations to preserve identity. The 2026 Karmann Ghia won't be a mass-market model. Volkswagen plans to produce only 7,500 units globally in its first year, with each car individually numbered. Pricing starts at $58,000, positioning it as a halo model for enthusiasts and collectors rather than a volume seller. Early interest has been strong, with reservations reportedly filling up within hours of the car's unveiling. In many ways, the 2026 Karmann Ghia isn't about practicality or mass appeal. It's about emotion, nostalgia, and craftsmanship. It reminds us that in an automotive world increasingly dominated by technology and efficiency, there's still room for beauty, heritage, and soul. Volkswagen has successfully reimagined a beloved classic for a new generation, not by replicating the past, but by reinterpreting it in a way that feels both familiar and forward-looking.